Hi, welcome back to my channel. The season for grapes is just coming to an end, so I thought why not make some raisins. So I got some green grapes. Here they are, nicely washed, and I have some water here which is boiling. This is a very simple process. I was able to get some organic grapes from Farmizen, which are pesticide free. So why not make the best use of this and make your own homemade raisins. So the water has just begun to boil. So let me add all the grapes. It's a very simple process and you will be able to do it very easily. Initially, you would notice that all the grapes are at the bottom of the utensil, and very soon you will notice that a lot of bubbles are formed all around each of these grapes, and the color of the grapes also changes from green to a pale yellow, and very soon the grapes would start floating on the water. Do you notice them popping? And you will also notice that the grapes have a small slit on them once they start floating. It just takes a couple of minutes for all of the grapes to float on the water, so just stay near the stove. And let me give you a closer look at the slit on these raisins. So I hope you are able to see that slit. So this is now ready to be switched off. I have used a strainer to drain out all the water. After all the water has been drained, I am placing these grapes on a soft cloth so that any further excess water can be dried away. Just keep them for a few minutes and then now they are ready to be placed in the sun. I have placed all of them on a tray, and now here is my sunny spot on my balcony, and I will be drying them for the next 3 days. So at the end of the first day, this is how they look. They appear slightly shriveled, and this is the end of the second day. They have turned into a brown color, and now they are further shriveled and start looking like raisins. I have split them into two different trays. This is at the end of the third day. The raisins are ready. They look perfect, and now they are ready to be stored away. So after cooling them for a little while, I am now placing them into a glass jar. It's such a simple process, anybody can do it, and this is the best thing to do now that the end of the grape season is here. So I hope you all have learned something, and you will be able to prepare raisins at home. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.